Here's some creepy facts about human nature. 1. Human babies were designed to be cute, so we don't eat them. 2. I remember reading that if you look at pictures of sick people, your immune system will automatically give itself a little boost just by looking at the pictures. 3. The call of the void. This occurs when humans are on high places like rooftops or cliffs and get the urge to jump. It's actually pretty common. 4. If you happen to have brain injury, there is a condition that makes you unable to recognize objects around you. Like you will see a fork, the colors and the shape of it, but you can't know how to use it, if it's edible or not. Pretty scary thing to imagine. 5. On a recent date with a CSI, I learned that a lot of people die naked on or near the toilet. Apparently people get very hot and try to strip down when close to death. 6. The fact that the placebo effect even exists suggests that the brain does have some capacity to force the body to resolve diseases, and this has never been fully explained. Scientists are still exploring how this ability works and if it can be developed further.